Ujala scheme and street lighting national program completes 10 years. The Ujala scheme launched on 5th January 2015 by Prime Minister Narendra Modi marked its 10th anniversary as a groundbreaking initiative in energy efficiency. Street Lighting National Program SLNP, Energy Saving Peak Demand Reduction, CO2 Emission Reduction, LED street lights installed, 1.34 crore LED street lights installed, energy savings 9,001 MUs of electricity annually, peak demand reduction more than 1,500 megawatt, CO2 emission reduction 6.2 million ton annually, reduction in CO2 as of January 6th report 2025. Ujala scheme launched on in January 2015 to promote energy efficiency by replacing traditional lighting system incandescent lamps ICLs and compact fluorescent lamp CFLs with energy saving LED bulbs. The scheme is a joint project between the Government of India's Public Sector Unit PSUs, the Union Ministry of Power's Energy Saving Efficiency Services Limited, Energy Efficiency Services Limited EESL, and DISCOMs, distributed companies. Objective: the Ujala scheme aims to save 85 lakh kilowatt hour of electricity and reduce 15,000 tons of carbon dioxide CO2 by replacing 77 crore traditional bulbs and 3.5 crore street lights with LEDs. Over the past decade, more than 36 crore LED bulbs has been distributed across the country. As of 6th January 2025, EESL has successfully installed over 1.34 crore LED street lights across urban local bodies, ULVs, and gram panchayats, leading to significant energy saving of over 9,001 million units MUs of electricity annually. The Street Lighting National Program SLNP has emerged as a model for efficient public lighting, making a meaningful contribution to India's energy efficiency efforts while helping municipalities save costs and reduce environmental impact. Key features of Ujala: subsidized LED bulbs. The cost of LED bulb distributed under Ujala was reduced to rupees 70 per LED bulb compared to rupees 450 in 2014. Distribution mechanism: the bulbs are distributed via demand aggregation price crash model, bulk buying to reduce prices. Ujala revolutionizing India's lighting market. Eligible price comparison: 450 to 500 before Ujala 2014, after Ujala 2024 rupees 70. Ujala and SLNP exemplify the exemplify the power of government LED initiatives in fostering both economic growth and environmental preservation, lighting the path to the brighter, more efficient future for India. Key outcomes of Ujala scheme include cost saving per year 19,153 crore, avoided peak demand 9,586 megawatt, reduction in CO2 emission per year 387,84952, 3 crore 87 lakh 84,952 tons, 3 crore 87 lakh 84,952 crore tons. Energy saved per year 47,883 million kilowatt hour. In 10 year Ujala over 36 crore LED bulbs distributed, saving energy, reducing costs, and cutting carbon emission nationwide. So far, the Ujala scheme has germinated the sale of 407.92 crore LED bulbs in Indian market. Stage-wise LED distribution under Ujala. The full form of Ujala is the Unnat Jyoti by Affordable LEDs for All scheme. The Unnat Jyoti by Affordable LEDs for All Ujala scheme. All scheme. Note important. Gram Ujala scheme was introduced in March 2021 for rural households, offering LED bulb at rupees 10 each in exchange for old incandescent bulb. Incandescent bulbs. Under phase 1, the goal was to distribute 1.5 crore LED bulbs, achieving energy saving of 2025 million kilowatt hour per year and CO2 reduction of 1.65 million tons per year. About EESL, Energy Efficiency Services Limited, EESL, founded in 2009 and promoted by the Ministry of Power, is a super energy service company ESCO that focuses on energy efficiency solutions. EESL implements the world's largest energy efficiency portfolio across sectors like lighting, buildings, electric mobility, smart metering, and agriculture. EESL has saved over 47 billion kilowatt hour of energy annually and reduced carbon emissions by 36.5 million tons. EESL operates as a joint venture of National Thermal Power Corporation Limited, NTPC, Power Finance Corporation Limited, PFCL, REC Limited, and Power Grid Corporation of India Limited.